Snap Camera. Today we are going to talk about how to use Snap Camera. Then go to Google and search for Snap Camera. After this, click on the link that says download. Now click on it and you will be able to download Snap. After downloading the Snap, just follow the further instruction. After installing it, go to the platform you want it to use. You just have to open up. Suppose you want to use at Discord, you just have to go to settings and then go to voice and video settings. Now select the camera devices that I have connected. I currently have only one device connected, as you can see. You can add up any device you want to connect. For example, you want to connect Snap Camera, just connect it and later on you will be able to use it. Thanks for watching.